Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange. So we're going to review the Knipex 5 locking position twin grip pliers. These are 8-inch model 8201200 SBA. I got this at Menards. They had a brown bag coupon day, 10% off. I wish I would have bought before all the import stuff. So, but you know, it is what it is. So first thing I noticed is I always loved the handles on Knipex. I did ruin one because of it was my bag and it was rubbing, but they are nice and I like the texture feel to it. So that's always my favorite part. And the best feature on every Knipex is it's very hard to pinch your fingers right here. So that's what I really like. And let's see. It has a little bit of flex in the handle, but that's okay. So if we have in the closed position, even more flex. But the further out, because it has all these locking positions, see there's teeth there, the harder it is to push these handles in. So 5 positions. So the other feature is the teeth look super sharp, and they have this part right here, and this one's pretty good for alignment. You know, I'm not that fickle about that. That's fine. I mean, these are not NASA tools. They have to be perfect, you know, but this is, Knipex makes excellent pliers. So this part here is if you want to grab something at the tip, and it's very, you don't have room for over here. So something like a bolt, you know, and you can't get over here, so you go this way. I mean, not a bolt, a nut. So, and you grab it this way and you unscrew it underneath the table or in the through hole, okay? Or something like a spindle. This is from a ratchet that lost a little detent ball, and you need to hold it. So you go like that. And, you know, it has, you know, the cutaways in it to grab and everything. And I also noticed that there's this little detent right here. I would guess that would be for like a wire or to hold a wire, you know, that's my thoughts. So, and then you have one way this way and one way that way to hold it. So, yeah, I mean, I'm gonna do a review in a couple weeks on, you know, using the field. People get annoyed with this sometimes getting away, but it doesn't get away on this one. On the other ones it does. So I don't know. So they got this little spring and bolt here. We'll see how long that works. That's something I'm skeptical about, but they've sold millions of these, so maybe I'm wrong. So I do have other Knipex, and the next one will be the wire stripper, cutter, all that other stuff. So yeah, I'm very excited. It looks like they put a little bit of oil over here. So don't get these wet or keep water on them. They do discolor and stuff. So that's what I recommend. So, and no pinched hands. So this will be in my tool bag, and I'll let you know. Like and follow my channel. Thank you.